I'm going to show you my motorcycle that I just got. Pretty excited about this. This is something that I've been thinking about for a long time. I'm very, very happy that I finally did it. I got it for a really good price. So the 2009 Road Glide is gone. No longer available here in the channel, and this is going to be the new bike that I just got, which is obviously a Road Glide because I love Road Glides. And you can see it right here. I'm going to give you a close up. This is going to be a 2022 Road Glide Ultra Limited, and there's a reason why I bought this one. I was looking for this one, you know, probably getting to it in other videos out there, but I tell you, this bike is freaking sweet. It gives me a smile. It makes me pretty happy, and it has so many upgrades that it's just stupid and ridiculous. Okay, so here's an initial look of the 2022 Ultra Limited. I tell you, I got this bike with like 1,400 miles, so it's pretty much brand new. So I'm just gonna give you a quick walk around. I tell you, I put about 400 miles already, and it has been amazing, just truly amazing. Love everything about it. It has a lot of different upgrades, which I'm going to show you probably in a different video. As you can see, that's, you know, an upgrade. Here's another upgrade. The lights right here as well. Some of these things doesn't come with the motorcycle, so if you're looking to buy a new one, just keep that in mind, that some of these things is not part of the motorcycle. It was added up later on, right? Obviously 114 engine right here. It has cams. I don't know what kind of cams it has, but it sounds freaking sweet. Obviously 14-inch bars, which is an add-on as well. And again, all this is things that were already added up to the motorcycle. Love the color. Not your typical black, you know, just a beautiful blue with a little black in there. Just fantastic. 2-in-1 pipe, and again, that's an add-up to the bike. And you see the trunk right there is an Ultra Limited, so it comes with a trunk. And really the only thing I don't like is this thing right here, the whip antenna, right? Look at this. One of the reasons why I'm here in JP Cycle, maybe I could find a better antenna for this thing. Here's a look from the back right here. And again, very, very happy so far with the motorcycle. I really been enjoying it, and I really been liking it a lot. Here's a look of the bike from the front right here. I mean, this thing looks sick, really, really sick. So first impression is going to be that I put about 400 miles so far. Like I say, I got it with 1,400 and something miles. Got a really, really, really good price. And again, I put about 400 miles into it, and I tell you, wow, really, really fantastic. From the 96 that I had, 2009 Road Glide, to this, it's like day and night. You can't even compare different motorcycles. The way this bike handle and the highway specifically is amazing. All over the place, it's just amazing. So I've been really, really happy with this purchase. And like I said, 400 miles, I'm loving it. I think that it has, or the guy said it has warranty, so I'm gonna have to go to Harley, maybe run that VIN number, maybe see what comes out. I don't know if they've done a 1,000 mile service. I don't know what they've done to it, but again, you know, right now it has 1,800 miles, and I think I'm just gonna take it back and start from zero, you know, do all the changes of the oils and all that stuff, and go from there. But I tell you, so far I've been very, very impressed, and I just been loving it. All right, so I'm gonna start it up so you guys can hear. Just keep in mind this thing has cams, so again, this is not how it's supposed to sound from stock. Get ready to smile. Obviously 2-in-1 designing bikes. I never been a fan completely because I like the two pipes coming out, but I mean, the power that this thing is generated is freaking amazing. I tell you, no matter what I do, every time I hit the throttle, I'm moving. It's just the way it is. So very, very happy with the purchase. Stay tuned because we're gonna have tons of more videos coming up. As always, God is in control.